Welcome to BodyMaitre Podcast, where we explore the four bodies, the spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical, and uncover the hidden energies that shape our daily lives, our consciousness, and our healing journey. Today's episode, we'll be diving into a beautiful yet challenging topic, feeling present. We often hear this phrase, be in the now. But what does it truly mean to feel present? And why is it sometimes so hard to stay in that state? What is feeling present? Feeling present means your consciousness, emotions, mind, and body are fully here, aligned in the moment. It's that state when you're not drifting into the past or rushing into the future, but instead experiencing life as it unfolds, moment by moment. Let's look at this through the BodyMaitre four bodies perspective. Spiritual body. Presence means your soul energy is anchored into your physical form. You're here, not lost in other timelines, dimensions, or old soul memories. It's the state of I am here. Mental body. Presence means your thoughts are clear and focused. You're not looping through worries or replaying the past. You're simply aware, observing. Emotional body. Presence means allowing feelings to arise and move through you, not suppressing or overreacting. You feel emotions, but you're not defined by them. Physical body. Presence means being grounded in your body, aware of your breath, sensations, heartbeat, and the space around you. You're not just living in your head, you're fully embodied. Now, here's a relatable example. A friend once told me he read The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. He said, "Darreck, I understand the concept. It's important to stay in the now. But no matter how much I practice, I just can't do it. My mind keeps drifting away." So we did a quick BodyMaitre dowsing check to find out what's blocking him from feeling present. Here are the findings. Physical body, nervous system, defeatism. This means in his physical etheric body, there's an energy imprint of defeatism deeply affecting his nervous system. Energetically, this suggests that past experiences of failure or disappointment are still haunting his body memory. The nervous system remembers. It keeps the imprint of why try again if I'll fail anyway. This subtle vibration of defeatism keeps him stuck in the past and constantly anticipating future failure. So even when he tries to be in the now, his body unconsciously resists because it associates presence with danger, loss, or disappointment. Let's go a little deeper. When we are unable to stay present, usually one or more of the four bodies is holding unresolved energy. Spiritual body. The soul may be scattered, not fully integrated into the body due to trauma, fear, or past vows. Mental body. Thoughts may keep replaying regrets or fears of the future, creating disconnection from the now. Emotional body. Unresolved emotions such as guilt, anger, or sadness keep the energy anchored in past timelines. Physical body. The body holds memories, tension, trauma, and energetic fatigue that prevent full relaxation and grounded presence. All these layers create what I call energetic fragmentation, where different parts of you live in different timelines or emotions, so it becomes hard to experience true stillness and nowness. To realign with the frequency of presence, you can begin by 1. Grounding your energy. Feel your feet on the ground, your breath moving through your chest. Bring your consciousness back to your body. 2. Breathing consciously. Each deep breath anchors your soul energy into the physical body. 3. Acknowledging emotions. When feelings arise, allow them without resistance. Presence includes what's happening now, not avoiding it. 4. Clearing energetic imprints. Use researching and scanning tools like SRT or BodyMaitre dowsing to identify what blocks your four bodies from feeling safe to be present. For my friend, we worked on releasing defeatism from the nervous system, restoring calm and groundedness. 5. Affirming your consciousness. Gently say, I am here. I am safe to be in the now. I fully embody my presence across all four bodies. When you are truly present, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and physically, you become a clear channel for life itself. You start hearing inner guidance more clearly, you feel grounded in reality, and life flows with more ease and synchronicity. Being present isn't about escaping thoughts, it's about coming home to yourself, moment by moment, breath by breath. Thank you for tuning in to today's BodyMaitre podcast. If you find this topic meaningful, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and join me for more real-life case studies, spiritual insights, and energy alignment explorations through the 4 bodies system. Until next time, stay aware, stay grounded, and stay present.